sub tag. Got it, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up to here? Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Any student?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
please write down. Please write down this note. Firstly, write down this code from here. Okay, let me clear it. Now write down this code and output.
Where
And
from?
my dear, from here, from HTML tag and opening HTML tag and closing HTML tag from, and write down the other side. Just write down this output also. Then when you will see and revise this code, just simply just observe that that's what's going on here. Okay. And firstly, write down under the heading HTML text formatting. Just simply write down the HTML contains several elements defining tags with the special meaning. Got it, my dear? And after that, just write this code and output also. Write down this code.
Sir,
Other side.
clear नहीं है.
What, my dear? Hello.
Sir, clear नहीं आ रहा है screen.
Screen clear नहीं है, my dear?
Hello.
Yes, my dear. Screen is not visible for all.
You know, sir.
And what about others, my dear?
Sir, visible.
Visible है.
Visible.
Sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay, my dear. Then dear, please refresh your web page and then come to this page. Okay. Refresh your web page, my dear, and write down this code. And one side, left side, and other side, just write down this output. Any doubt, my dear, about formatting? How to write subscripts and superscript, my dear? Okay, let me give you one more example. Hello? Hello, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Subscript. Should I repeat it? Hello,
No,
my
sir,
dear.
it's
Should I
clear.
repeat? Okay, it's
No,
clear.
sir, it's clear. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I'm giving us some trick also. Suppose you want to write x to the power x to the power 4. Then how can you write that? If you want to write x to the power x to the power x, then how can you write that? Anyone can explain, my dear? How can I do that? If you want to write x to the power x to the power x, yeah, x to the power x to the power 4. So how can you write that, my dear? It's a simple tag. How what I told you about sub and subscript or superscript and subscript. In case if you want to write, if you want to write x to the power x to the power 4, so how can you do that? Anyone can explain? Can guess, my dear? Suppose you want to write x to the power x to the power 4. So how to do that?
So bracket देंगे.
What, my dear?
Bracket.
No. Other one, my dear?
Sir, by using multiple times superscript.
Wonderful. And multiple tag, it means what, my dear? That is nested tag. Got it, my dear? If you are using one tag under the another tag, that is what, my dear? That is nested tag. And if you want to write x to the power 4, it means if you are writing x in where, just simple, in x to the power x, that will be where superscript. And after that, if you want to write something, then again use the superscript. If you are using 2 times superscript, that will simply what that is what, my dear? That is nested tag.
Nested tag.
Okay, my dear, by using nested tag you can write x to the power x to the power x. Got it, my dear? But if you are going to use sub sub tag or super tag, that will be what, my dear? that will be what, my dear? Tell me. That is simply represent subscript and superscript. Got it, my dear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Have you wrote this, my dear? Code and output.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
My dear, please mute your voice, mic. Okay. Should I proceed, dear?
Yes, sir.
Who is
Yes, sir.
who is
Yes, sir.
joined? Who is recently
Yes, sir.
joined? Please tell me your roll number. Who is recently joined? Please tell me roll number.
8.
Roll number, my dear.
98. Roshita.
28.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is any student who missed their roll number? I mean attendance. There is any student who missed their roll number or attendance, my dear? Because there is 28 student but showing 31, it means 3 student still didn't their submitted, I mean didn't their given their attendance, my dear. 3 student are here. There is 22, 32, it mean including me there is 31 student, but I have attendance only for 28 students. It means there are 3 students who didn't give their attendance. So please tell me their roll number, my dear. Okay, no problem. The next point is, my dear, write down. HTML colors. Write down next topic, HTML color, beta. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Come to the code, then I will explain. Okay. Have you seen this? Here is hello world. In hello world, the background is what, my dear? Background is what, my dear? Sky blue. Got it, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the next, so how can you do that, my dear? Just if you want to use background color, just simply the tag is styled. Okay. Who is new? Sadhna Maurya. Sadhna Maurya, tell me your roll number, my dear. Sadhana or Sandhya, let me see. Sandhya Maurya, tell me your roll number, my dear. Sandhya Maurya, tell me your roll number. Okay, then bring your application, no problem with that.
Sir, 40. 40.
40.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why you are so late, my dear? Okay, leave. Come to the point. So hello, my dear. If you want to background in your text, so how do you do that, my dear? Just simply use the style tag. Whatever color you want to use, whatever you want color use, just simply under the style tag. How can you do that, my dear? Just simply put H1 or H2, S3, S4, S5, S6. Whatever you want to size to give, just simply you can do that. Okay, my dear. Also, after that, what you will do, just simply put the tag that is style is equal to background color colon dog green blue. After that, whatever you want to write in front of that place, just simply put here. Okay, for example, here is hello world. If you want to write here, what, my dear? Swami Hatsevanand Public School. You can see this. Okay, my dear, any doubt? If you want to use background color, like how can you do that? There are a lots of background color where you can use. Okay, my dear, that background color is here, a lots of background color. Whatever you want to use, you can simply put there. Okay, for example, color, for example, dog green blue. Whatever color you want to put on your background, just simply do that. Okay, my dear, for example, here you can see. Okay, done, my dear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My dear, my dear, hello, listen be carefully. If you want to put background color on your tags, simply what you will do, my dear, just simply put under the style tag. After that, what you will do background color, whatever color you want to put here, whatever color you want to into the background, just simply put that your color name. Got it, my dear? And after that, whatever tags in front of that background, just simply put here. For example, here I write here as HPS, Swami Hatsevanand Public School. Whatever you want to put here, just simply write here. Got it, my dear? For example, also you can see this style is equal to background color is equal to tomato. Here is in background color, what is that? That is tomato color. Got it, my dear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
write down this code, my
No,
dear.
sir.
Write down this code, and do not write this all those things. Just simply put here, like, let me. Okay, just simply put this. Okay, in code, just simply write down HTML body tag
Okay,
H1
sir.
style background color. Okay, what color you want to put here, just simply write the color name and whatever tags in front of the background color you put there. Got it, my dear?
तो साफ साफ
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
है.
My dear, this is problem for all or only one particular students? Tell me, my
Sir,
dear,
it's clear.
this is problem.
Sir, it
This
is
is
clear.
problem for
Clear.
all students.
Yes, sir.
It's clear, sir.
My dear, it may be there is some network issue. That's why your screen is not visible properly, my dear. Okay. If you are suffering such type of hurdle, just simply refresh that web page. Then you can see. Got it, my dear? Okay. Come to the next point. My dear, what I taught you, that was about background. Okay, my dear, that was about background. But if you want to write colorful your tags, for example, here you can see hello world. Okay, got it, my dear? If you
Yes,
want
sir.
to write in your background, in that case, just simply use style is equal to background color, and what color you want to into your background, just simply put that color. Got it, my dear? But in case if you want to text full color text full, okay, colorful tags. If you want to write colorful tags, so how can you that? Just simply what you will do, just simply write the style tag. After that background, in place of background, just simply write down color, and what color you want, just simply write here. And after that, and which type of tags you want to write, just simply put here. For example, here you can see hello world. It means, suppose I'm writing here school. Okay, you can see this. This is what, my dear? This is Swami Hatsevanand Public School in color. The tax color, my dear, tomato. Got it, my dear? Same. You can see this. This is what, my dear? This is dog gray blue. Okay, same color here. You can see this, my dear, etc., etc., etc. Just simply write down the code. Is that if you want to textful color, colorful text, just simply write style, color, and what color you want, that put the color name. After that, simply what text you want, just put that. This is the tag about textful color. Okay, my dear. But in case if you want to put your color in background, what you will do, just simply write style is equal to background color, and what color you want to into your background, just simply write down. Okay, my dear, just write down this code and second side output, my dear. Asu Pathak, roll number, my dear. Asu Pathak, roll number, my dear.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, dear. Roll number, my dear.
6, sir.
Okay. You are too late, my dear. Okay, write down this
Yes,
code, my dear, quickly. Any problem up to here? Up to here, my dear. Write down these both codes. First, HTML about background colors. About here, textful, colorful text. Got it, my dear? One side you write your code, and other side just write down your output. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Do it, my dear. It is visible for all, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Verma. Yes, Verma, roll number, my dear. Okay, no problem. Write down this code, my dear. Just simply. Roll number
40.
40. I have already write down.
सर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया था सर, अभी अच्छे से हो रहा है.
Okay. Okay, write down this code, my dear. One side write down your code, and other side just write down your output. Done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All of you done, my dear?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me again explain it. Okay, first, if you want to put your color in your background on your text, just simply what you will do, my dear, just simply write style background color. After that, whatever color you want to into your background, just simply put your background color name, and after that, whatever you text, just simply put here your text. Got it, my dear? Same if you want to colorful tags. In that case, what you will do, just simply write style, color, and color name, and whatever you want to put your tags, just simply put here. Got it, my dear? This is very, very simple things. No need to more effort. Got it, my dear? Done?
Yes, sir.
Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is very, very important, my dear. Please be carefully listen to this. This is very, very important. HTML image. Done, my dear? Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come to the yes, my dear. This is very important, my dear. Listen, be carefully how to do that, because same exactly in on your web page. How can you put your image on your web page? How can you put your video? This is this is a very you can say very important tag where you can use where you can make your web page interactive. What it is, my dear? How can you make your web page interactive with your image, with your video? Got it, my dear? If there is any web page, if you want to make that web page must be interactive, must be looking beautiful, pretty much. In that case, what you will do, just simply you will put your image, some beautiful pictures, some beautiful image, some beautiful videos, audio. Got it, my dear? This is you can say this is very important, our backbone of any web page to creating interactive web page. Got it, my dear? So now we are going to study how can you put your image on your web screen. Got it, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen, my dear. If you want to put any web image, suppose if you have any image or picture on your mobile phone, that will be what, in what format, my dear? For example, photo.jpg, movie, there is any some certain name after that, the extension, what, my dear? jpg या फिर और फिर, my dear, tell me, my dear, the extensions of your image. Yes, dear. PNG for that pictures which are coming into your screenshot. Got, my dear? But I'm talking about what there are, what formats of your web image. First JPG, second. You don't know, my dear? What's the formats of the what's the extensions of any image? Tell me, my dear.
Sir, IMG.
Very good. IMG and
JPEG.
JPEG. Very good. Okay. So, my dear, if you are capturing any pictures or image, so in that case, your picture, the name something like xyz.jpg, jpeg, png, these are the extensions of your image or pictures. Got it, my dear? Suppose if you have any picture, the picture name is suppose ravi.jpg. Got, my dear? Suppose your picture name or image, the picture name what in your ROM or your mobile, the picture name, my dear, what is that? That is simply picture name is ravi.jpg. Okay. So how can you do that? How can you put your image on your web page? Just simply use the tag name is img. Got, my dear? img. If you want to tag, if you want to put a image on your web page, just simply use tag name is, my dear, img. Got, my dear? img. This is the tag for putting image on your web page. After that, what will be the source, where the source of that page you will put here src is equal to your image name, and the image name something like ravi.jpg, abhishek.jpg, krishna.jpg. These are what? These are the what, my dear? These are the source of your image. Got, my dear? Suppose I have an image, the name is what? The name is something like xyz.jpg. Okay. If you want to put this image on my web page, how will you do that, my dear? Just simply put img space src is equal to the image name. Image name, my dear, xyz.jpg. Got it, my dear? After that, my dear, what will be the length and breadth of that page on your web page? Just simply put here 500 pixels or 300 pixels, 333 pixels, whatever you want to size up that image on your web page, just simply put here. Suppose for example, here is mentioned 500, so you can put here like 50. If I'm writing here width, I want the image size with width is 50. How can you do that, my dear? Just simply width is equal to 50. Run it. You can see this. The image converted into the 50 width, and height is, my dear, what? 333. Okay. Got it, my dear? Again, if you want to convert your height, just simply put here. Suppose for example, I'm taking the height 100. Okay. So height is equal to 100 pixel. So you can see this. This is the height of this picture is 100 pixels. Got it, dear? Up to here, any problem? Now your query must be
Yes.
see what the meaning of alter. Okay. Firstly, remove it. Any effect, my dear? No problem with that. Alter is basically, you can say, just like you can say like controlling point. There is no use, significant use, but you can use that. Got it, my dear? For the main point is here. If you want to put any image on your web page, how can you do that, my dear? Just simply put img tag. After that, src means source of that image. Src means, my dear, source of that image. It means the name of that image is what? That is xyz.jpg or krishna.jpg, ravi.jpg, ankit.jpg, abhishek.apg, akanksha.apg, jpg. These are what? These are the image which you want to put on your web page. Got it, my dear? And what will be the width and height of that that image on your web page? Just simply put here in the terms of the pixels. In the terms of pixel, it, my dear, I want the width of that web page, that image on your web page should be 500 and height must be 100. For example, if I want to convert it also 300, it would like better. Got it, my dear? Now up to here, any doubt, please ask me, dear.
No, sir.
Up to here, any doubt, my
No,
dear?
sir, no any doubt.
Okay, write down this code. Write down. And heading must be HTML image. Yes, dear. What's your query, dear? Tell me.
We can't use video in the HTML web page.
No, my dear. I can use the video on HTML web page. Don't worry. I will show you how can add this web page. How can add